In the historic Park Hill neighborhood of Denver, we were called to assist a lifelong resident with a plumbing issue. Drains throughout the house were slowing down, culminating in water pooling in the basement, turning this into an emergency fix. Like many older neighborhoods, this home had a grease trap installed to prevent kitchen waste from clogging pipes. This particular home faced a significant issue with both the kitchen line connected to the grease trap and the main line on the opposite side of the house. With challenges piling up, Flow-Rite Plumbing was ready to step in. Older homes present unique obstacles, and this project was no exception. Tight spaces between historic structures, iron fencing, old tree stumps, and an unused clothesline all created barriers to accessing the main line. Our team handled each of these challenges with precision, temporarily removing the fence and clearing the way for the excavation. Once we gained access to the damaged pipes, we carefully excavated the area, ensuring minimal disruption to the yard. The old failing pipes had severe backups and visible cracking throughout the clay lines. Once we removed the damaged sections, we installed a durable, modern pipe designed to last. After careful inspection and a double check for accuracy, we seamlessly connected the new line to the city sewer, ensuring long-term reliability and flow. While our excavation crew worked outside, our plumbing expert upgraded the kitchen with wider piping and modern fixtures to prevent future blockages. After completing the sewer line replacement, we restored the yard, including reinstalling the iron fence. Now, the plumbing is performing better than ever, thanks to the dedicated team at Flow-Rite Plumbing, providing solutions for even the toughest jobs.